Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is eligible to change regions. This matters because active subscriptions or unpaid balances prevent the switch. Once you verify subscriptions are canceled, sign out of App Store services and set a local payment method for the new country. This avoids purchase failures. Make sure your billing address matches the target country and that you've backed up any region-locked content before proceeding. These steps remove common roadblocks and let you proceed directly to changing the store country. You now navigate to Settings and tap your name, then Media and Purchases and View Account. This accesses country controls. Once there, choose Country/Region and pick the new country. You'll need to accept updated terms of service because tax and legal rules differ. Next, enter the new billing address and a payment method issued in that country. Apple uses that info to display local prices and currency. If you're switching via a Mac or PC, the process is similar in the App Store or Music app settings. You finish by restarting the device and signing back into the App Store to confirm prices display in the new currency. This refreshes regional content. If the change is blocked, check for unpaid balances, active subscriptions, or family sharing that tie you to the old country, because those commonly prevent switching. Make sure the payment method verifies. If verification fails, remove and re-add the card or contact Apple support for account issues. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves remaining errors and completes the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.